Hello and welcome. I wanted to do a really quick and easy set today, and I did. This set took me really maybe 30 minutes, 35 minutes, definitely less than an hour. It didn't involve a lot of nail art or designs or crystals and bells and whistles, but it was still really cute, or at least I thought it was cute. Hopefully you think so too. I'm starting off with this colored acrylic from CJP. It is called Ballet Slippers. It is a pale beige, I guess off-white. And I'm gonna apply this to the thumb and the pinky. For the middle finger, I'm going in with this pink acrylic, also from CJP. It is called Orchid. And these colors that I'm using, both the pink and the beige, do not have to be capped in clear acrylic. So I'm just going to build up the nails with these powders. And that's also another reason why I was able to get this set done really quickly. Next, I'm taking these floral decals. They are from Queen of Decals. I've used these before. I'll link a video down in the description of me using them for the first time and showing them and all about them and how to use them and all that stuff. But I'm just going to measure them to my fingers and then just cut around so that they fit all around my cuticle area. And then once I have the shape that I need, I'm going to put that in water, let it soak in water for a couple seconds, and while that's soaking in the water, I take a gel top coat and just paint that nail, and then don't cure it, and I take the decal and put it on the nail and just fit it right in place where I need it. Now these, when you're dealing with full coverage decals, sometimes you'll get some lumps and bumps. This one I believe had it wouldn't lay flat like up towards the cuticle, so I just cut a little slit in it and it doesn't show up. You're able to lay the whole thing flat with that slit there, and then everything is in place and the design is still in place and you can't see the little line there. So once I get the decal in place and everything's laid down how I want it, I go ahead and cure that nail, and the polish is going to hold that decal on there, and then I'll just file off the excess. So I put these decals on the index finger and the ring finger. Once I get those decals all situated, I'm just going to cap both the nails in clear. Okay, that is the finished look. Quick, easy, and simple. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time.